Hello?
Hello, Shakira.
Yes, speaking?
Are you speaking to Craig?
Craig from where?
From Nokia.
Nokia.
Yeah. Okay, this is about your phone.
Yes, it's my phone. It's a contract phone. I pay every month installments on my phone. It's the first time I'm having a problem with this phone since I bought it, which I'm sitting with a broken phone.
Yeah, it's a little bit... basically, the phone is...
Okay, it's like you said, ne?
Yeah. It's all... The touch screen is gone to... The screen is gone to... The software is gone to...
But the problem is, what must I do with the phone that's...
It's gone to... I don't know.
So... Because
Yeah.
I've been a customer for more than 7 years now.
Okay, hallelujah. But what it...
To be honest with you, did you see what my phone looks like? And it's now a year and a few months old.
Yeah, it looks like...
Does it look like Are
Yeah.
you sure it looks like
It looked like...
No, listen here. The way you're speaking to me is inappropriate. First and foremost, you're talking about my phone is Can you tell me my phone looks like So, do you think it's appropriate to speak to a customer like that?
Look,
The customer service is concerned.
ma'am, look, I'm not here to monkey business.
Yeah, you're not here to monkey business, you're here to do your job. And it's for you to speak appropriate to your customer, isn't it? Okay, bye.
What do you want me to say, ma'am?
Hello?
Hello, ma'am. Sorry, the line dropped.
No, I dropped the phone.
Did you drop this one too?
No, I'm answering this phone. The problem here is that the way you're speaking to me is inappropriate, which I feel I'm a customer and you can't even provide service.
Okay, it's not inappropriate, it's inappropriate.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
It's inappropriate
That's-
now. Do you get it? Inappropriate.
Yes. So what must I say? The phone is fudge. The phone is
So
gone.
you've got time to wait. Why don't you waste your own time? Because I have things to do.
Ma'am, I'm trying to fix your problem.
Well,
Hello, ma'am. It's Craig here, Nokia.
it's just doing work. By phoning people and telling them their phone look like and their phone is
Well, ma'am, that's the honest truth.
How the are you going to resolve it by anytime trying to do the same over and over and over?
The phone is gone to... So, I need to know...
Listen here. Are you
No, ma'am. I need to know...
really bullshit now?
Must I dispatch it to
I don't
Sweden?
know where the you're going to send it to Soweto. I don't give a
Ma'am, what I need to know is, with your consent, to send this phone back to Sweden.
No, man. So, listen to yourself a favor and phone empty in because I'm not in my phone once. Luister, ek gaan nou geskik word. So wat jy moet doen, niks met my te doen nie.
I don't...
I don't give a thing. You understand now?
What you say?
Bother me again because I'm going to put my phone down.
Okay, hold on, ma'am. Hold on. Where's Conrad?
Listen, what's got my husband's got to do with anything with us?
Because your husband told me to call you.
Listen, yeah. Are you working at Nokia or are you working at NTN?
I'm working for 94.7.
Oh, who the is this? I mean, I really it's Whackhead, isn't it?
It is Whackhead, that's right.
Oh, man. I mean, really. Oh. Listen, I'm going to put my phone down really now. Can you really now do the same? I mean, really, I get worked up for this guy. Doesn't understand no anything.
Oh, shame, man.
He said his wife was ready to fluke. I just didn't know that much.
Exactly.